History of Automatic Evelyn. Originally designed on a couple of the early home computer systems, the Apple II Plus and the Atari 800 computers, Automatic Evelyn began its evolution from 8-bit computer technology to the DOS IBM PC environment, then onto the 16-bit gem-based Windows Forerunner platform, then to the Windows PC world, followed by publishing to the Internet, and now currently available on the web with output that is viewable on standard desktop systems and mobile devices, including tablets and smartphones. Since the early days of home computers up through the present day, Evelyn has serviced youth, adult, and senior leagues, making its rounds not only in the typical bowling establishments, but also in country clubs and even in Wii bowling leagues. In the early to mid-1990s, Automatic Evelyn was customized into an enhanced version and was utilized to greater capability in the operation of the rigorous and demanding Men's Maryland Suburban Traveling League, MMSTL. Through this successful integration with the MMSTL, the program yielded a new type of hard copy experience for the league, which led to an article in the Prince George's County Journal newspaper on separate occasions. It was right around this time that the computer application was further modified to branch out onto the World Wide Web. The Evelyn application enlisted a very distinct and different approach to programming. Although the AppleSoft version of the BASIC programming language was the first operating system that hosted the application, it was actually the Atari brand of BASIC that opened the door to future technologies, including techniques for developing advanced algorithms that would later tap into tie-ins with Internet development.